Hello, welcome to a demonstration of some of the pretty basic tools, but also some of the most powerful ones. And I'm just gonna go right into it. First, I will demonstrate some of our ways you can construct a rectangle. You can input you can plus the coordinates like this, or minus with the absolute line, close the line, and then we have some different methods. The relative lines is probably the most tricky ones to get used to, but this is not really northeast like in the coordinate system. This is a relative system to the last line you drew, basically. So to go east, yeah, I'm just gonna do it like that. You can play with around with it if you want to really understand it. And then the polar one is pretty straightforward. 10 meters length, an angle in gone, which is 400. Like one full circle is 400 gone. So it's, you can also change the angle here. I'm on 400, you can go 360 if you are more comfortable with that. And then we have the, yeah, I might as well show you the rectangle. You just input width and height. So yeah, this is in the plane field. Not to be mistaken with this is the real height, as in Z coordinate. And then I will input a direction, and for that I will put on the polar tracking. So now I'm at 50 gone, which would be 45 degrees. And I will put it out like that. And then I'll just go by hand with the final one. And here I will use the length snap as well. And as you see, I have it on 10 meters. In the snap settings, you set this up yourself, the interval for the length snap, and also here for the polar tracking. And I'm on a relative polar tracking. This means, let's say we have something. Okay, let's, for example, draw something that's not really on the even angles, and then I put it on and I snap from here, and now I have the angles from the last true line. So this, and then I can maybe trim it. You can search your functions up here, and I can, let's say I want to trim it like that. So we got 5 of these, and in Topocad you can divide up your screen like this within the same drawing, And this I find very useful for transformations. From here I can transform quite easily from these points to these points. I select what I'm transforming, press OK. Now I have two lines here. And I'm back. Another thing is this is if you're working with terrain models. A circle is just a single point with a radius, but if you explode it, and that's not enough to make a terrain model, but if you turn it into two half circles, then you have two coordinates here, and also a radius. So this is enough for creating a terrain model, but this is just a good thing to remember if you ever try to do that. Also, I find from the 3D view you can use the length snap to quite easily make your extrude command go to pretty precise points. Like, let's go 50 meters, maybe. And then we can, from the properties here, change the display mode. You can also on this one see if, yeah, we can fill this one as well. And let's fill this one with another shape. And you can take these ones together. And one more very useful thing is, of course, the copy command. Control-Shift-C, or from the from the drawing copy, you can copy and place the next one on a different height, like that. We can do this, maybe 100, or we can of course we can go south, maybe 50 meters. Then might want to do This is a fun way to make a city or or something. And of course the offsets function, you can do a large number of offsets at the same time. You can also do the height, and yeah, this is a bit crazy, but let's try it out. Yeah. It's a fun one. Okay, so this is just some of the basic stuff, but it's very handy. It's some of the things you will use a lot, so it's maybe not doing 1,000 at a time, but still it's quite good to know, at least. Okay, thanks for your time, and good luck.